Okay, so we've just documented our first pig poop here. Pigs appear to be named Firewood, Plywood, and Peckerwood.
Actually, it's Firewood, Spring, and Summer name, Paul.
I kind of like the Peckerwood and Plywood, though. We definitely got a Plywood there.
Why don't we put the food in here in the water and put it in there in the water and don't spill them.
I've got another one. Oh, sorry, I want to see that. Yeah, no, I have another one of our big chicken water.
We have some stuff there. This is just so I don't have to make 3 more trips or yell at everyone to come get stuff. That's why we have a bucket right here.
There's a hole down there too, huh? Where's some rocks, guys? Help me find some big rocks.
So that's when you need to be in my house. That's when you need the soil in my house. Poor Brandon, when he was digging our tree, he put the shovel in the ground. He's like, feel like there's a big boulder right now?
Pig food's going in.
Anywhere you put a shovel in the ground, everywhere. The rocky soil is everywhere.
When are they eligible for garbage? Right away?
What?
Are they eligible for garbage right away?
No, a week.
A week.
Really?
A few days.
Watermelon rinds.
Just let them sit. Let them get acclimated for a few days.
Why? Does it make their stomachs upset?
Well, it could do something,
Goes to feed them what they were eating.
They're already having to get used to the grass.
Yeah, they haven't actually ever been outside.
And then we'll give them the grass right from the get-go. Is going to give them a little bit of the run. Probably. It's good.
Cleans them out.
Look at this. All we've had is a cat and a chicken for months now, so now we're back into it.